Hi, welcome to SPED 780. I want to take a look at the math case study that we're going to be completing for this module. This case study is going to have you identify one area of difficulty in math, whether that be mastering basic number facts, arithmetic weakness, written symbol systems, or vocabulary. And I want you to really describe what a struggling student with this particular deficit is going to look like compared to the skills of a successful student. Now, for this area, there is some material within the instructional resources within the module, but you're also going to want to do some additional research and some additional searching on the internet for information related specifically to the deficit you chose. Remember, make sure you use a good source. Think about the source you're using. Make sure that it is a source from either a journal or a source from a well-vetted organization that studies math instruction. Then I want you to identify 3 instructional strategies for addressing this deficit and describe those for me. And then identify an accommodation using assistive technology to address this deficit. Finally, you will identify an assessment tool and describe it, and then briefly give me an example of a goal that you would use specific to this deficit in an IEP setting. Remember to take a look at the case study rubric that's online to kind of get a good idea of how I'm going to grade. It's going to be very similar to the case study that you did in reading. And remember, I'm always glad to provide feedback. So if you want me to take a look at what you've produced, send it to me in email. Please give me at least 24 hours before the due date to do that, and I'll get you some feedback.